Fall to the floor.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna, can't really see me, but we're going to John's Incredible Pizza. If you don't know what John's Incredible Pizza is, it is a buffet where it's like pizza with like a bear. So yeah, see you guys when we get. We're here. Look at the back of me. Oh shoot. Which way? Oh.
Question for the day.
Huh?
A question.
What do you mean? Question of the day.
Yeah, question of the day. Like, and then, what is your dream phone? That's the question for today.
Okay, what is your dream phone?
Mine
That's the
is
question of the day.
Google Pixel. I changed it. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Look at that chicken, that pizza, that cinnamon rolls.
And that salad.
Ain't nobody want that salad.
Except for my
Time to go get our food. Get it.
But
Time to go get our food.
yeah, I know.
Oi. Pizza. Yes, there is. It's over there. They put a fresh batch.
Oh my gosh. Look at watch. It can be red. Get that. It's all that.
¿Qué es este?
Oh.
Okay, wait.
This is what I have on my plate so far. Pizza, chicken, and spaghetti. And then he has the same thing as me, but except for the chicken. I dare you to I dare you to eat this.
What? No.
I dare you to eat the spicy peanut butter one.
The whole thing?
No, just a bite.
Okay, I'm gonna eat it.
Peanut butter?
I don't want to.
Yeah, spicy peanut butter something. Is it good?
He's like, no, I don't want to fill it up.
What's up, guys? We're going to the games now. This is my mom. Hey. And, ooh, lefty tickets.
I like pizza.
Oh, 25.
25. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Oh man, I wasn't even paying attention.
And the result is...
Oh! It was right there! Yeah, for the people! For the people! I got 12. Wow. Dang it! I put out that game!
This is a game that we play a lot, but we can never win. Why? That was your fault. We already have to.
I'm going to take Atlanta because I don't want any of the lower seeds in the West.
No, your brother's been using it. I think it's low. Not the black. The black isn't low. It's another color that's low. I just have to find out which color it is. This is all to buy one.
That was the end of the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.
Worry, go be safe in your Jeep. I won't quit the elephants. Rolling, rolling with elephants. Rolling, rolling with elephants.